Today we shall look at unit rates, and under unit rates we shall check on two things. One, miles per hour, and then B, dollars per pound. So let us see what we have for the unit rates, miles per hour. In each case, I'll give you an example and of course be in a position to explain to you vividly on what you are expected when you're looking for unit rates in both cases. Have somewhere to write. So unit rates involving miles per hour, you'll find them commonly writing it as small m, p, and h. This one is miles per hour. This one represents speed, represents speed or velocity. So this one will represent speed or velocity, or this one is supposed to show. So this shows that rate shows how many miles something travels, something travels in 1 hour. That is what it means. How many miles something travels in 1 hour. So there is a formula for this. This unit rate has a formula, and the formula is unit rate is equals to total number of miles, total miles, over total hours, That is the formula for the unit rate that involves miles per hour. We can do an example. Our example is a word problem, and it reads, if you travel 120 miles in 2 hours, calculate the unit rate traveled. Solution. You have moved. We can look for a formula and probably make or set a proportion based on the information that you're given. Remember, we are looking for 1 hour, the miles you travel in 1 hour, and we have that one for 2 hours. So we can say 120 miles is equals to 2 hours, right? 120 miles is equivalent to 2 hours. What about 1 hour? So we cross multiply. We can assume the unknown miles for 1 hour, we can call them, let's say, small d. So d for 1 hour, 120 miles for 2 hours. We cross multiply. Cross multiplication means we are solving for the value of d. Then 120 times 120 miles times 1 hour over 120 miles times 1 hour is equals to 2 times d, which is 2d. So if you want d, so in other words, we are saying 120 times 1, which is 120, is equals to 2d. So you divide by 2 on both sides, by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, 60. So our d is 60 miles. If we say 120 times 1 hour, divide by 2 hours, we'll get 60 miles, because hours cancels with hours, and so we can say that in 1 hour you traveled 60 miles. So we shall call it 60 miles per hour. That is our first example. Second example, in unit rate involving dollars per pound, it should be pound, the formula shall be total cost in dollars over total weight in pounds. Let us do an example. Our example is also a word problem. Read with me. A store charges $6.96 for a case of mineral water. Each case contains 2 boxes of mineral water, and each box contains 4 bottles of mineral water. What is the cost of each bottle of mineral water? Solution. So in solving this, we shall say one case costs $6.96, and we have 2 boxes in each case. So at least we can get the price of a box, because one case is equivalent to 2 boxes. So in other words, if we want the cost of 1 box, we shall say the amount for the whole case, which is 6.96 divided by 2, which is $3.48. This is for 1 box. Remember, in a box we have 4 bottles. So if we want to know the price of a bottle, we shall have this amount for the whole box divided by 4. So $3.48 divided by 4, which gives us $0.87. So 1 bottle of mineral water will cost $0.87. We started by understanding that in a case we have 2 boxes. If the price of a case is $6.96, then it means you divide by 2 to get the price of each box. And that 1 box has 4 bottles. So the price of the whole box divided by 4 bottles to get $0.89. Thank you very much for following me. Let us meet in our next video.